Looks like morning in your eyes, but the clock's at 9:15. 4 hours. Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh, 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 do you? Surprise, surprise, couldn't find it in your eyes, but I'm sure it's written all over my face. Surprise, surprise, never something I could hide. When I see we made it through another day, and I said, ooh, to you. Covered down, ooh, on me again. Ooh, and if I'm right, it's the only way to bring me back. Ooh, ooh. Do you? Do you? Aitäh!